Hi, I'm Anurag and this is Flogen. Most AI interactions today feel like conversation. You ask a question and you get a static block of text back. But for developers and architects, knowledge isn't a chat log, it's a workspace. Flogen is a GenUI first infinite canvas that turns natural language intent into usable, editable artifacts. Instead of just relying with text, Flogen's assistant emits structured payloads that become native flowchart blocks, interactive contain connectors, and dynamic canvas cards. The tech stack here used is for front end we have used React and Tailwind CSS mainly. For the AI generation part and the component generation, Tambo is used. To maintain strict rules on the responses, Zord schemas are used. The canvas is made with X5 flow for the infinite canvas, and two MCPs have been integrated, a GitHub MCP and a file system MCP. Let's go to the architecture. The architecture, the user sends an intent. The Flogen browser sends the thread message plus the context to Tambo client. Tambo then makes that a request to Tambo API, or it can directly be returned, or it can be sent to the file system MCP if needed. The response is then sent back, and the message is sent back to the browser, which parses the Zord schema and renders the element onto the canvas. Let's go to the demo. So here, I already have a few charts generated. This is from the prompt list my file system structure file. So this uses the local file system schema, local file system MCP, and renders this response of my file system. This is a simple formal query. I want to brew tea. So it gives me a process to make tea. It also integrates timers into the flowchart, which can be used directly from here. If I reduce the time of the timers, on completion, they give a sound and a flash. To demonstrate the GitHub MCP, I can click on the Resolve GitHub Issue button. I can paste the link of a GitHub issue that I have open in the background, and it will start generating me a response. This is the GitHub issues link that I have pasted, and I just have to wait for it to generate my flowchart to guiding me to resolve this issue. While it generates this issue, let's move on to the key learnings from this project. The project helped me learn that the future of UI isn't static, it's intent-driven. The hardest challenge was ensuring bidirectional flow between manual edits and AI-generated content that stays synchronized on the infinite plane. The problems faced with sending context and editing the graph, editing the flowcharts, and including timers, setting the prompts was the key learning. Let's see if the issue is resolved. Yeah, so we generate a directory report first. This is the old one generated from my last try. We'll soon see the flowchart to resolve this issue. So here is the flowchart to resolve the issue being created. We can click on the apply layout button to arrange all the flowcharts in a systematic way, which can easily help us run through them and read through them. All the flowcharts have a done button. The flowcharts, when all the last element is clicked done, the entire flowchart is blurred out. So that was Flogen. Thanks for watching.